guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be filming a replacement nail for this set right here. I lost it while I was visiting some friends, so here we go. First, I'm going to start with etching the nail, but first I'm going to buff the edge, make the shape a bit sharper, and get rid of that little tab on the end. Once I'm done filing, I'm going to remove all that dust before I etch chemically with the acid-free primer. Now here I'm going to go in with a base coat before I start applying any gel color. Now the polishes I'm going to be showing here, I all got from Shein. They're all just the gel polish, gelish brand, I think. Either way, I'll have them all linked in the bio. I used a total of 3 different polishes for this set. I originally made the set a couple weeks ago, so here I'm trying to figure out in what order I used the polish. All 3 polishes are applied, I'm going to apply a matte top coat before I go in with the eyeshadow for the ombre. And the key here is to try to make the matte top coat as even as possible, so that when you're applying the eyeshadow, it doesn't come out streaky. Once the matte coat is applied, I find that the pigment shows up a lot better if I rub down the matte top coat with alcohol. That is the nail that I'm applicating. I got this eyeshadow palette from Five and Below, but I feel like this brand is also sold at the dollar store. I feel like I've seen it there, like Belgium or something. Here I'm just showing you this set of eyeshadow brushes that I got from TJ Maxx. They're like $4, and I use them specifically just for nails. I find if you use like this short, dense brush, it packs on the pigment really well, and then I use the fluffy brush to kind of fluff out the edges so it blends a bit more seamlessly. And here I'm just packing on the eyeshadow in a diagonal pattern, and when I go in with the flowers later, I lay them diagonally. See here, I'm talking about it's a bit streaky there, it's hard to see, so I just end up removing it and doing it over again. Looks, I'm going to top coat it. And the top coat is just like regular top coat that I use mainly for chrome, because I'm going to go in with chrome after this. You know, if you do nails or if you work with chrome, you have a separate top coat that you use just for chrome so you don't like contaminate the other bottles. This pressed chrome powder set I got from Shein as well. I don't really know what the brand is. If I can find a link to it, I'll link it as well. Once that's all buffed in, I'm going to take off the excess particles with this little makeup sponge. Now I'm going to go in with this rhinestone glue from Macart. I got it off Amazon. It came in a 2-pack. I will put the link in the bio. I'm using this like, I don't know if it's kind of like a glue stick. Me in solid form. I'm using that to pick out my charms as well as the caviar beads, and then I'll use it to place it on the nail as well. I got this set of flowers, I want to say from Shein. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I will link that if I can find it or something similar. I go in with a glob of the rhinestone glue since I'm placing all 3 charms at once. I'm gonna place all 3 of the flowers. There's one big one, 2 small ones, and I'm just gonna finagle with it, or play around with it until I like the way it's placed. And once I like it, I will cure that. Now I'm going to go in with just a little bit more of the rhinestone glue so I can place the caviar beads in the middle of the flowers. Once those are placed, I'm just going to cure that, and now I'm going to top everything off with the top coat. This is the same top coat that I used before. It's the one that I used for all of my chrome, since I didn't top coat in between placing the chrome and putting on the flowers. Here I'm just removing like a piece of lint that somehow made its way into polish. Here is the final nail. It's all done and top coated. Alright, here is the full set with all the nails. Let me know what you think down below in the comments if you would wear these. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!